Hey guys, what's going on? Dr. Hash here, Breakaway Chiropractic. We're here with Isa today. Look, she's even giving me such a nice look. We're here with Isa today. We're going to get her adjusted. She's dealing with a lot of soreness. She actually just started doing F45, and then she went back to back with Zumba right after that earlier today. So we're going to get her worked out, get everything moving again, and then we'll go from there. All right, girl, face down for me.
Oh my God, if I can move.
You can tell how sore she is from how slow she's getting on it. Incredibly sore.
I'll try to not say inappropriate words.
You're good. It's all good. Makes for a fun video.
Oh, that felt so good.
It's amazing. Oh man. Right here. Just a tiny bit. We're coming right over here. Oh wow. Relax that shoulder. Yeah, I'm sitting in the car for 12 hours driving from
28.
Was it 28?
Total. 28 total, people.
All right. You gotta give the people the rundown of the route you just took.
So I left
amazing.
Dallas on Thursday.
Uh-huh.
Got to, what do we call it? Muskogee?
Muskogee.
Muskogee.
I'm gonna get this
Oklahoma. Oh, Lordy. Stayed there the night. Drove to St. Louis the next day. Partied it up for a while there. Left St. Louis in the morning. What did we do?
Yeah,
We went to the zoo in St. Louis.
Sweet.
We went to the Arch in St. Louis. Which way are we going? This
You're
one?
going that way, good.
We always go the other way first. What else did we
You just went the wrong way, that's why.
I'm tired. The Arch is freaking cool.
Oh wow.
And then we drove to Chicago, went to Lake Michigan.
Awesome.
We went to the aquarium. We went to the zoo there. We ate a lot of amazing food.
Awesome.
What else did we do there? Oh, we went to the Bean.
Oh, the
which
Bean?
was pretty cool because COVID has everything closed off, so they had a big gate around it, which was really cool because people.
So you can't touch it or anything?
Well, but in the pictures, there's nobody there. Like I just had the Bean and the buildings, and it was beautiful.
Just you and the Bean.
It was great. Yeah. What else did I do? Then we ate. We went to the aquarium.
That's awesome.
And then the next day we went back to St. Louis, and I love St. Louis so much that we stayed there another night. We got to stay in a hotel that was a old train station, which was cool. And they had like a huge Ferris wheel in the back, and all these places to eat.
That sounds like a lot of fun.
It was so much fun.
We have to do one of these road trips.
I'm telling you, just go somewhere. Just go. And then we drove back yesterday.
Awesome.
Normally I calculate the miles. I haven't done that yet, but it was about 28, 29 hours.
It's better to do that afterwards.
Yeah, yeah.
You don't want to do that before because then you're just like, okay, I don't want to do it. Actually, you're right there. Give yourself a hug. Relax.
And while it was 90 something degrees here, it was a perfect 62 there. It was great.
Now I'm jealous.
I'm not excited about this part.
Push your foot into me. Kick, 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 and relax. Good. Relax that for me, girl. Push up to the ceiling now.
Trying.
And relax. Breathe. There you go. We're coming all the way Where are you feeling that?
My butt.
Perfect. That's where you should feel.
Oh my gosh.
Push, and relax.
I'm trying, I promise. It's tight.
That's what happens when you do so much in one day.
I did a lot.
And the day after you just
So I
drove.
literally drove 10 hours and then I went to go pick up my dog and then
Push it away.
went to F45.
Push,
That was gonna be a good idea.
And relax. Did you enjoy the 45 though?
I did. I think it's
Push
still,
up to the ceiling.
there's a lot of mental.
And relax.
You never know how those things are gonna work out, right?
Yeah, exactly.
So it's just hard when you're such, like Zumba's totally different
Yeah,
than the
for
way
sure.
that you get your energy and stuff.
Well, this is a
So
lot of dance movements too, right? With Zumba?
yeah, and you're always doing something different.
Yeah.
It's really hard for me to do the same thing over and over and over for a period of time.
I'm just gonna keep doing this till I fall to the ground
Yeah.
and I'm tired, too tired.
Exactly.
Come on up.
Oh my god.
How's that feel?
Always better.
Yeah.
Always better.
Awesome, guys. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you guys next time. Take care.
What's going on, guys? Justin from Breakaway Chiropractic, back at it again. I'm doing another full body Graston technique. I actually have Isa here. She did, what'd you do yesterday?
I did cardio at F45 and then I did resistance at F45 this morning and then did Zumba right afterwards because I thought that was a smart idea.
So, to say the least, she's hurting. So I'm gonna start breaking up some of this myofascial tissue and then some of these knots as well, and then get some of these toxins to bring up to the skin.
The fun part.
Yeah.
I'll try not to.
Do anything.
I'll try not to kick you.
Yeah, please don't.
I'll try really hard.
Not on camera. That full almost carrying.
Why did Flo need it? Was she working out
doesn't
too?
stretch.
So we're the same.
Yeah, pretty much.
She doesn't stretch. What kind of workouts does Flo do?
She does legs like every freaking day.
Well, she has good legs, so.
I just need to get on that level of doing legs every day.
I like doing legs too.
Oh, I do too. I
I-
feel like
Oh my goodness.
it's one of those things that you could actually overwork.
Yeah, that's what I feel like right now. Oh my god. Oh, Justin. Whew. What is that right there?
Right here.
Yep, that part.
Yeah.
That doesn't feel good.
Quad.
Holy moly. Oh. So what, Justin, made you decide to do this in your life?
This
Yeah.
constantly being hurt.
So
Actually-
did you learn this by yourself or?
I went to school.
Yeah.
Yep. Went to school.
For you?
For me.
Or to learn to do this for other people?
So I went to school to do this for other people. I actually was playing baseball.
Okay. Ugh.
Yeah, and then I started tearing my shoulder more and more, and then was in the trainer's office more and more. So I was like, oh, why not do this?
Got it. I've done this with a rolling pin before, but it's not like the same.
I was about to say kind of similar, kind of
Kind of not.
different.
Yeah.
Close.
Close. Whew. I'm sweating over here.
Yeah, that tends to happen.
So I got this new Fitbit, and it tracks your stress level. So I'm gonna see.
Oh, see how stressful
stressed I am.
I make it?
Yeah.
You could
Oh my goodness.
post that, be like, my stress level's this high when I go here.
Okay, this one's way more tender than that one, and
Yeah.
I'm gonna try really hard. But... Try to remember to breathe.
Yeah, you've kind of stopped that.
Say flow, scream, yell, cuss.
No,
It's just me?
No, she just like buried her head into the pillow.
Oh.
So
Got it.
it
I have no
happens.
pillow right now.
You will in like 2 seconds. Yeah.
Thanks.
Our lovely cameraman just sneaking in the pillow.
Oh my goodness.
So what made you want to go to Chicago of all places?
No, I didn't know where I was going.
Oh yeah, that's right. Okay.
So it was hurricane on one side and smoke on the other.
Yeah,
all
I
the
guess
fires, so
fire
I
or
had to,
water,
like,
right?
Drive north, and the last time we went to Nebraska, and I was like, I'm not going to Nebraska again. So
Yeah, that's kind of random too.
it was fun. They had one of the biggest pumpkin patches in the whole United States, so that was really cool when we went to go visit. And their zoo is amazing.
Yeah, because y'all did a lot while you were there, right?
Yeah, I mean, I gotta keep the kids busy because if not, the 14 hours of driving doesn't make
Going
sense,
insane.
right?
Yeah.
So, yeah.
That's awesome.
Sneak past this way.
Oh, shit. Sorry. Apparently, oh my god.
Right there.
Sorry.
You're good.
Probably didn't even feel like
Alright, go.
anything.
Flip
Flipping?
around. Yeah. Flip around for the fun part.
Okay.
This is the best part.
I
This is the part where Flo
was dying,
cringed.
so
yeah.
I need the pillow.
Yeah, I was about to suggest grabbing that pillow again. Forgot how much work this actually takes, especially doing them back to back.
Yeah, well, you're putting all your straight in there, I can tell.
Just a little bit. Reddened up, nice. Nice.
So, who can't do this?
There's a lot of people that can't do this.
Like, no, I mean, but like physically, like if they had like, or health.
Oh,
wise,
like
you know what I
health-wise?
mean? Like if they're pregnant, it's probably not.
Pregnant, yeah, but we could always
It
do
probably
their
is like,
lower extremities.
yeah,
And we'd have to turn them on their side.
got it.
Any like new brakes you wouldn't be able to do it on. Trying to think what else would you not be able to do it on?
Clotting, DVT.
Yeah, I was
Yeah,
gonna say
clotting, yeah,
People with clamps, wear clamps.
DVT, yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Well, if you stretch,
Sorry,
we wouldn't have this.
I know. Maybe I probably would still not as bad.
This roller chair is like a lifesaver.
So what are y'all do? I know y'all are changing some of the stuff in the office. Are y'all gonna change how the front looks?
Yeah, so the front will actually be the biggest change. Flo's getting a huge desk.
Oh, nice.
And then we're getting that front doors, not the front door, but the door into the therapy area
Yeah.
will just be open.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, and then we're gonna have glass separators.
Between the
The office and Flo's desk, and then here in the physical therapy area.
when are y'all gonna do that?
The 2 weeks that we're off.
Oh, for Christmas.
I think that's what we're aiming for.
Cool.
Yeah. So hopefully there's
So
no.
you're gonna start 2021 and it's gonna be all new.
It's gonna be all new everything.
That's
Even
awesome.
these walls are being painted. So it'll be exciting. It'll be good to start new. Almost done. Almost done. Good thing is you won't be bruised. Just a little red everywhere.
I hope so.
Yeah. All right, girly, you were all set. Guys, thanks for tuning in. See you again.